I do hope that you like our recipe today, and if you are new here and you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification to be updated on my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching, and see you on my next videos. Matane! See you on my next videos. Bye bye!